Hello and welcome to this session. It's Introduction to Computers. My name is Damian Sserunkuma. A computer is an electronic device programmed to accomplish different tasks. You can also think of a computer as a programmable electronic device that accepts data input and processes it into information. A computer is made of majorly two parts. These include hardware and software. Hardware are tangible parts of a computer system. All parts of a computer system that can be visible and can be touched. They are known as hardware. On the other hand, we have computer parts that are intangible, but they are visible. You cannot touch them, but you can only see what they do. These parts are known as software. Software. These are logically programmed set of instructions that are programmed or written to manage the way hardware responds. You can as well think of software as a set of programs that manage hardware components. This means that software is the soul of hardware. Software manages and controls all operations of the hardware. Your computer cannot be or cannot operate without software.